Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, to tonight I want to explain about this 20 as or question of CCNA. Yeah, question first question. This use layer which use layer is responsible for logical addressing and routing. Nah, this is in first question. Answer C. Layer 3. Why? Because in explanation, the network layer 3 handles logical addressing using IP address and determines the best path for data to travel between network. Router primarily operate in this layer. And in question second, question, uh, which VLAN is the default VLAN on Cisco switch? Nah, answer C. VLAN 3. Explain. VLAN is created automatically on Cisco switching and all ports belong to it by default until manual assigned to another VLAN. And question 3. What information is stored inside a switch MAC address table? Answer B. MAC address and associated apa sih bacanya nanti? Associated switch ports. Explaining switches learn source MAC address from incoming frames and map them to the port where the device is connected for efficient forward. And next question about port security. Okay, which happen when port security is configured with violation mode shutdown and unauthorized device connect. Answer: the port is placed into a disable state. Explaining. In shutdown mode, the switch disables the interface when a security violation occurs, protecting the network from unauthorized access. Okay. Next in question about TCP and UDP, which protocol provides reliable communication with acknowledgement and retransmission? Answer TCP. Why? Because TCP ensures reliable communication through sequencing, acknowledgement, transmission, and flow control mechanisms. Okay. Next question. Administrative distinction. What is the default administrative distance of a static route? Answer 1. Why? Explaining static route have an administrative distance of 1 by default, making them more trusted, trusted, trusted that most dynamic routing protocol. And next question, default route question about default route ya. Which command configures a default route on a Cisco router? Answer C. IP route 0.0.0.0.0.10.1.1.1. Why? Explaining a default route send traffic distance for unknown network to the specific next hop router. Okay. Next question. About SPF. Which OSPF area is considered the backbone area? One. No. Actually, the area zero area. Why? Because area 0 is the backbone area in SPF and all other areas must connect to it either directly or virtually. Okay. And next question. What is the purpose of STP? or spanning tree protocol. Okay, actually, prevent switching lobs. Why? Because STP prevent layer 2 lobs by placing redundant patch into a blocking state until needed. Okay, next question. This is about FCS, which failed in a Ethernet frame is used for error detection. Okay, actually, VGS. Why? Because the frame check sequence VGS uses GRC calculation to detect corrupted corrupt frames during transmission. About DNS. What is the primary purpose of DNS? Answer B. Translate domain names into IP address. Explaining DNS convert human readable domain names like google.com into IP address understood by device. Okay, next question about DHCP. This is a which transport protocol does DHCP use? Answer UDP. Why? Because DHCP uses UDP ports 67 and 60 because it relies on fast connectionless communication. Okay, next investigation about NAP. Which type 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 of NAT maps multiple private IP address to one public IP address? Okay, this is answer C. Pat. Why? Because port address translate or PAT. That's PAT is port address translation allows many devices to share one public IP using different port number. Okay. Next question about security. In SSH, which port does SSH by default? Answer 22. Explaining why, because SSI uses TCP port 22 for secure remote management session. Okay, next question. Okay, HL question. What is the main function of an access control list or HL? Okay, HL filter network traffic. Why? Because HL permit of no of I'm sorry, HL permit ordaining traffic based, based on criteria such as IP address, protocol, or port number. Okay, next question. Uh, about JSON. Which symbol is commonly used in JSON object? This is there. This because JSON object use curly braces to store key value pairs. Okay. Next question. Which style is commonly used for network automation using Azure? B. Ansible. Why? Because Ansible automates network configuration using YAML-based playbooks. Okay, next question about wireless. Which wireless standard operation only in the 5G band? Azure is C, yeah. Because Operation X and 5GHz and support faster speed switch. Okay, last question. Which wireless security protocol is the most common? Okay, dead. Answer D. WPA3 because WPA3 provides stronger encryption and improved protection against password attack compared to previous standard. Okay, thank you your attention about this spending question 20 question about Chechena. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.